How to fix Instagram keep logging you out. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to go and open Snapchat or app on your mobile. As you open Snapchat app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located up above. Click on that, and then you have to go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, then you have to scroll down. As you scroll down, you will be seeing an option of clear account actions, or over here you will have the option of clear cache. Now you will have to clear the cache for your Snapchat app. If the problem is still happening, then you have to go in the options for help and other legals. So I need help option, and over here you have to tell them what do you need the help for, and this is how you can fix your logging out issues. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, make sure to subscribe and also hit the like button. Thank you.